morning, traders, and welcome back. Today's daily reminder is simple. What's the sense? What's the sense in getting rich and making money if you're just going to stare at the ticker, at your screens, at your monitors all day, every day? That is not the point of doing this, guys. The point is to give yourself time and freedom, to be able to do this from wherever you want, whenever you want. So once you apply the system, once you apply the plan, you should be able to make your money in the first hour and a half of the trading day and call it a day. Do not stay staring at the screen, tempting yourself to go back in on something you did not plan for. That's it for today, guys. Let's get it. Let's get that money.
More money, more money! Ah, all very exciting.